Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to delete the Epic Game Launcher from your PC. If you want to get rid of the Epic Games Launcher that you've installed on your PC but you don't know how, then here's how you can do it. From your desktop, go ahead and click on the Start button at the bottom left. Now, click Settings from the option. Go ahead and click on Apps and under Apps and Features, type in Epic Games. Once you find the launcher, give it a click and click on Uninstall. Click on the Uninstall button again to confirm and wait for the launcher. And also make sure that your Epic Games launcher is closed. After you do that, wait for your Epic Games launcher to uninstall. After you complete the uninstallation, you'll be able to delete Epic Launcher from your PC. That is how it can be done. If you find the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these tutorials again. Thanks for watching.